STEM Lab here at Albany Tech is for us to engage more students into the STEM and STEAM careers. We're looking to take the Mobile STEM Lab out to different schools, different organizational events across the community to engage more students in the STEM and STEAM field and industry, getting them engaged into the different activities that the industry has to offer them. And with getting them involved, we also get the chance to tell them a little bit more about Albany Technical College and the engineering and technology programs that we have available. So the hands-on activities that we'll be allowing them to work on would be activities that we would introduce to our students here at the college as well. Some of the things that we will be doing in the STEM lab is we'll be working with electrical components such as your stethoscopes. We'll work with beaded boards to build different circuits, such as electronic circuits. We'll also be working with 3D printers for students to get the hands-on experience to build out 3D objects and different items, as well as we'll have the drones coming out of the unit where students will be able to program the drones inside the unit, but then we'll go outside and allow them to fly the programmed drones that they've programmed, as well as doing different hands-on activity with solar units and getting them interested into the solar field as well. In the lab, we have approximately 10 computer spaces for our students to be able to interact. We have our lecture board. Behind me, you see our lecture board where we'll actually be able to present a lecture. And outside of the lab, we also have interactive TVs outside of the lab where we'll be able to interact with customers or students outside of the lab as well. The Mobile STEM Lab is just one component here at Albany Technical College that we have available to students. We have the Colton Construction Building where we offer electronics programs, electrical and computer engineering, the solar program, and also our engineering graphics program as well. And we welcome students to come to the lab to actually see what we're doing. We welcome them to come in and explore the different things that we have to offer. But we most definitely want you to contact us to bring the lab out to your area, to your organizations, and to your school and give your students the hands-on activities that we are promoting here through the Mobile STEM Lab.